Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Vasimullah and welcome to my channel, that is Vasimullah Graphics, and I'm an architectural designer. Today I'm going to show you, I will tell you about the Photoshop, a little bit of tools, how to use it. It's like move tool, rectangular marquee tool, and elliptical marquee tool. So without wasting any time, let's jump into Photoshop. Like when you open it, you will see like this kind of interface. Go to the file, make a new document. Let me place it one. Make it 12 by 12. How to use the move tool? Let me open it, the image. This any kind of image you want to place, any kind of that you can select it, but I am telling you about the move tool, how to use it. Now click on the move tool, select the area and drag it with your mouse into the new document. It will place to the new document. It will select an area. Like I have selected this picture, this one. I am dragging it with move tool. This I have dragged it with the move tool. Now this is a move tool, you can see. Again I will show you. Let me press control, delete it. Go to the move, select a move tool, come to the image, drag it in the new document. Like this. Now I will tell you about the rectangular marquee tool. It select an area. It select an area in a rectangular shape. I'm selecting this area, this part of the area, and I'm going to the move tool, clicking with the move tool, dragging it with a mouse to the new document, placing on the to the new document. Now it's selecting that area, particular area which you have selected. Like I am press to deselect the object, press Ctrl D. Again select the rectangular marquee. This time I am going to select the middle Eiffel Tower area, this part. Now click after selecting the area, and then go to move tool, drag it with the mouse to the new document. Same like elliptical marquee tool, same work, but it make a shape in elliptical shape. It create a shape of elliptical. Select an area. I have selected and holding with the mouse move tool, and then moving with the mouse, dragging to the new document, and then make it big. Now press to deselect the object, press Ctrl D. Now single marquee tool is select an area with a pen like design. Select an area of a pen size of a pen tool. Now I have selected an area in rows, in column actually. It is in row. Select an area. Now press Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl C for copy, and paste it over here. Now let me deselect the object. Now press move and tool. Now you see the area, it's select an area with a pen tool shape, like a pen tool we are using. It can capture that, select that kind of area. Now column wise, press Ctrl D, it select an area. Now I'll select now this one, single column in column wise. It's like it is in column wise from top to bottom. Select and press Ctrl D, select an area, select the single column marquee tool, select an area. It select an area in a column wise. Press Ctrl C and now press Ctrl V. Now it select an area in a column wise, like a pen. It select that kind of area. I have selected this area and I have copied. Ctrl C copy and Ctrl V paste it over here. To paste an object, Ctrl V paste for paste on an object or any kind of shape. For copying, Ctrl C. With this I have completed my tutorial. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel. That is Wasim Graphics and Architectural Designer. Have a good day. Bye bye.